guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another layout for the scrap room. Getting you with the Freaky Fast formula we're using today. If you saw that, super fun. I love these cuts. So I really wanted to, I was excited to use the Simple Stories collection, and I really wanted to document my sister's family's vacation. They just took to Florida because the girls got to fly, my nieces got to fly for the first time, and so they took some really cute photos. However, you will not see the photos until the finished close-ups, not even the full page, because I love my sister. She's a busy lady and I'm annoying. And I ask her for photos so I can document them. And she says yes, but then, you know, she gets busy and does things. So I am so happy that she allows me to create pages for her. And I'm going to create them a little album. I think a small little album of their Florida trip. And then she can document whatever she wants on them, is my thought. So I plan on documenting a few more photos. She said they didn't take a ton, which is fine. They don't need to. It's good to live in the moment and not just take photos all the time. So I'm glad the photos that she did take, and then she can document whatever she wants about those events or those things that took place. I'm just cutting the papers right now. Nothing spectacular. I'm going to use the cardstock. But anyway, I appreciate my sister. I'm so glad she lets me do this, even though I bug her and bug her and bug her until I get the photos. So I had to have the layout done by a certain time. So my sister didn't share their photos with me until after that fact. So the main page, this whole thing will get created without photos, and the main page will, the layout, final layout picture will have 0 photos, but you'll see close-ups with the photos in them. Because I knew what photos, because she's posted them she made an Instagram reel, so I knew what photos I wanted or how many I wanted, kind of. So I had an idea, and I knew what sizes I could use. I just didn't have the actual photos to print yet. So anywho, long story short, I cut all those things and you didn't even notice, but they were pretty straightforward. We had 11 by something, 1 by something, I can't remember at the moment now, and you've seen them. You have seen the cuts in the very beginning. So I did 2 of the 2 skinnier, smaller, I think they were like 9 by 1. I did 2 of those just because I changed my mind of what pattern I wanted and what length. But I really love a lot of the patterns, and I really wanted to use this airplane. So while I was yammering on about photos and my sister and love documenting my nieces and stuff, I was making sure I could use this airplane. And so I originally thought I was going to do the 3-inch circle, or 3.5-inch circle. Yeah, 3.5-inch circle as the airplane. But I realized the airplane was a little bit bigger and I didn't want to cut it off. So that's why I made the strip. But then it worked out good because then I did that same cloud paper, 3.5-inch circle down below. And then I kind of ties that to the top and the bottom of the page. So that worked out well. But yes, so I love this yellow paper. I decided I needed to use this for the background, and a ton of it's getting covered up, so you won't notice that it's Europe, but that's what it is, and I kind of talk about that later. But it's a map, and they're traveling, and that was the main thing, and I love the yellow. I just love it. So I really wanted to feature all the patterns that I liked, and so I was able to do that, and I really love the checker, or it's like a plaid print, grid print. I don't know what to call that, but I love those. And Simple Stories does them so well because the lines aren't completely straight. They almost look like they've been drawn on with a marker, a little bleeding. And yeah, I love that. Anyway, airplane. I wanted it to feature because, again, these are photos of my niece's first flight that I'm going to document. And so I was super excited to do that, and right away, when I started cutting, I knew how I was going to layer things up, and I really like how I did it. So we've got the 2 11-inch strips on the top, and then I did 2 of, like I said, I think it was 9 by half strip. Yes, because I think the heart paper is 1 by 11, the other one is 3 by 11. I think that's what it was. I don't remember. Like I said, you saw the measurements in the beginning. But this page came together so fast. It was great. But the 2 down the bottom, then I stagger them, and then I'm going to tuck that circle in. And then I got the perfect embellishment in my portion. Everyone's embellishments are going to be a little bit different. But I got the perfect foam thicker piece. This is ready to travel. And since this is the pictures of their first flight, it worked great. And I've got a great picture of the two of them on the tram to the airport from where they parked their vehicle. And then another one of each of them in their seats with their kid, excited to go. And I asked right away if they got wings, because I remember when we were kids that we got wings when it was our first time. They said no, but they did fly Delta and they did get trading cards, and they were super excited about that. So I have a picture of my sister with one of her daughters with their Delta trading card, and the other of my brother-in-law with the other daughter, because they sat front of each other so that the girls could both have a window seat. So super cute. I have another page I'm going to do of the youngest and looking kind of with her headphones on and then looking out the window, and the other one kind of talking to her dad. I took screenshots of a little video clip my sister did from the reel that she created. So I was able to even grab more photos than what she took, which was super exciting for me and hopefully exciting for them, so that when they can cherish this, they don't necessarily have to have the videos playing. But I think I am going to try to print some QR codes and put them on the pages too, so they can see the videos of those girls enjoying the flights as well. And then like all their beach pictures, and they got to go on like this catamaran and see dolphins and whales and stuff and stingray. So I'm gonna hopefully capture that. So I hopefully will be doing some QR codes hidden on the pages as well for them, so that whenever they want, they can go and they can find those on YouTube or wherever. So yeah, so that's exciting. Once again, this page, I think I only sped this up one time or 2 times. So a lot of times I will speed up 4 times because my pages take so long, but this did not take long at all. Here's me putting down the mats for the photos, thinking I might do 4, but then realizing I didn't really want to do 4, and it worked out perfectly, because then after I did cut that out, I looked through her photos or her Instagram reel actually to figure out how many photos I think that I was going to be getting from her that I would put on here, and I chose 3, and that was the perfect amount, because I'll do another layout, like I said, of the 3 of them. With 3 photos of them looking out the windows and stuff, but this is just the first few photos, and I wanted to have a good journaling spot, so if my sister decided she wanted to talk about it or write anything about their first airplane flight or their first flight, that she could, and she'd have the space to do it. But yeah, super cute collection. I love all the papers and even the add-ons and the embellishment add-ons you get in the kit. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. They're super cute. I did supplement and add some L Studio puffy hearts and puffy dots, and I thought they just added a little bit. Oh, I think I only added 2 dots on the whole page. I think I'm going to have to add a few more, so you might see a few more on the close-ups, because yeah, 2 is not enough. Oh, maybe I did 3, but still, that's not enough. I think I'll add some more. So, yes, thank you so much for watching. There's the finished page, and you'll get to see close-ups with some photos, and then stay tuned for the end. You'll get a breakdown of everything that's actually in the kit and what everything is called, and then, yes. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye. This is the portion of the video where we go through the kit. So this 4th and final, I don't remember though if this is the 4th and final video, but anyway, another portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, Simple Stories, Pack Your Bags. You just saw some fun creating with it. Everybody's gonna get 2 pieces or 2 sheets of graphite cardstock, so kind of a dark gray, not quite black, but a dark gray cardstock. And then everyone's going to get 3 sheets of these pattern papers. We've got Time to Travel, which is this awesome cloud one with an airplane, and the amazing plaid that always comes in, I feel like, the Simple Stories collections. And then we've got Seeing the Sights. This is gorgeous map. It's of Asia though, not of Russia, Europe. Not of the US, but it's a very cool map. It's a nice yellow and a gorgeous floral on the back. And last but not least, Packed and Ready. This adorable heart pattern. I love this. And then the little suitcases. This is my favorite though, by far.
And I like all of these. So those are the papers you will get in this collection. Remember, you can always get add-on embellishments and add-on cardstock and add-on paper. So you can always get more cardstock that coordinates. The cardstock, you could get, I think, you could get a decent amount of cardstock. And then the embellishments is going to vary for everybody. It's going to be a mixture of bits and pieces and journaling pieces and a mixture of the foam stickers. So it's going to vary depending on the kit. These are the little foam pieces that I got. I'm probably going to use this as my title if you did not see already. And then here are all the ephemera and journaling bits I got. I got this awesome little suitcase open with flowers. Today's agenda, and it's in that same plaid, but it's in the green. A bike, some cute sunglasses, this cute little label, this cute little banner with like that. I wish it was down in Florida. 'Cause I could use that though for the Dakotas. Yep. Cute little heart. I got pages to make with the Dakotas. I got a geotag and then a cute little arrow. So we've got some adorable pieces here. I hope you enjoyed the process video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what you can create with the Freaky Fast formula, and please check out the Facebook group and the YouTube page for the Scrap Room, as well as don't forget the blog and the website. You gotta go check out the kits. You can see details of what's all in them a little bit more, and then you can see everything that's in the add-ons and all that. So make sure you do that. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.